When I met you, I thought my prayers were answered. I'd finally found my cowboy romancer. Your kisses swept me right off of my feet, but now your words of love don't taste so sweet. No matter how hard you tried to fight it, your voice betrays your will to hide it. You've been leaving for a long time now, and I think it's time I got around to admitting the truth, to saying my final goodbye, to sliding out of the saddle. It's been a long, hard ride. Somewhere we lost the trail, the fire's burning down. I'm throwing water on the embers and I'm heading back to town. With you I thought I'd found love requited. You were the healer of my heart divided. You blew into my life just like the wind, and like a tumbleweed you're blowing right out again. You work so hard to hide the signs of your wandering ways and your fading love. My eyes were blind, but they're open now, and I think it's time I got around to admitting the truth, to saying my final goodbye, to sliding out of the saddle. It's been a long, hard ride. Somewhere we lost the trail, the fire's burning down. I'm throwing water on the embers and I'm heading back to town. I'm admitting the truth, I'm saying my final goodbye, I'm sliding out of the saddle. It's been a long, hard ride. Somewhere we lost the trail, the fire's burning down. I'm throwing water on the embers and I'm heading back to town.